Hey guys, we are here with some more people that came back and visited with us, our good friends, Joe and May.
Hello.
And they brought a guest.
Glenn.
Lynn?
Yeah.
Lynn is here.
Glenn.
Oh, Glenn. Like Glenn Fry.
Glenmora.
Glenn Close.
Oh, Glenn, like Glenda.
Yeah, Glenn.
My sister's Glenda. So, what did you guys eat today? I didn't catch it on film here, but you can tell everybody about
I
it.
had 2 orders of tacos, one El Pastor and the other one hard shell taco, traditional hard shell taco, which is a great copycat of Taco Bell, by the way. And I put money on that. And the El Pastor, like Eric always says, is on time.
On time.
On time.
I think somebody else says on time. I kind of stole the on time from somebody. I know a lot of you guys. Eric never says on time. That's somebody else. And you had
Biscuit and gravy.
oh the famous biscuits and gravy. And what about Glenn?
Same.
Oh, you both had the same. Did you try the tacos though?
She tried the tacos, yes.
Yeah. And what did you think?
It's good.
Excellent. You liked everything.
I like all the food. She's already thinking of like, I'm gonna bring my son next time.
That's it. Yeah, guys, we have a big menu coming up. The dinner menu's done. We're going to post that soon, maybe on this same video. I don't know. I'll probably add this to tomorrow's clips and have the new menu posted with this. Tacos, meatloaf, fish and chips. The list goes on. We got tons of stuff coming out. Bread pudding. We were just talking about bread pudding.
Banana split.
Banana split. Oh my gosh, did you put banana splits on the menu?
I just ate. All this talking about this new menu coming out, I'm working on an appetite.
Now you're getting hungry again?
I'm getting hungry again. I
All
just
right.
ate.
Cool. Good morning, everybody. How are you? Just having a little coffee now? You done had breakfast though, didn't you?
I got it lovely.
Barry here, he's come all the way from
The United Kingdom.
the UK to visit us here and staying with us here at Drake's,
Yes.
right?
That's it.
How is everything so far?
It's great.
All right, who we have over here today this morning? We have some more guests in the house having some food. How is it?
It's delicious, just like in Tennessee.
Just like in Tennessee. All right. So you just got back into town, you said, just last night, right?
Yes, I went to spend the holidays with my children.
Excellent, excellent. And what did you have today?
I have Far East Papi's breakfast.
Oh, the classic. Now, you got a lot of food there.
Home cooked.
And what did you get today? That's almost half gone now.
I forgot. It's so good.
The Hungry Man? The Hungry Man. Yeah, and it looks like you were hungry, man, because you ate a lot. Excellent. So thank you guys for coming out. Enjoy the rest of your meal. I won't bother you anymore.
You're very welcome. We'll be back.
Thank you very much. All right. Check this out. Look at this spread these guys here ordered. Introduce yourselves, guys.
Go ahead. My name's Don, and
First time in, right?
first time in this restaurant. Absolutely the best decision we ever made. Food is great. I got a Philly cheesesteak here,
Take a look here.
and
Nice.
what's unique about this is the cheese is on the side, and so you can add what you need as much as you need. It's just like having ribs and having the barbecue sauce on the side.
Yeah.
It's not messy, and you get to taste the food, and the flavor of the food is just outstanding.
Excellent. Well, thank you for coming by. And what did you get here, sir?
Oh, I got your signature dish here.
Oh, the biscuits and gravy with some
Biscuit
sauce.
and
You put some
gravy,
hot
yes.
sauce on here.
I love
All
it
right.
spicy and stuff.
That's it.
And then I got your cheesy jalapeno burger and stuff.
Oh my gosh, are you going to be able to eat all that?
Whatever I can eat, I'm definitely going to take home. So I know I'm going to enjoy it and stuff.
Excellent.
And I also got the chicken
strips?
here, so.
Oh,
And
yeah.
I tell you, the portions are very impressive. They're very impressive. I think that everything here is awesome.
Well,
you know?
thanks, man. I appreciate it.
The
Enjoy.
atmosphere, the ambiance, it's a great place. I think you're doing an outstanding job and stuff. You know, so keep up the good work.
Definitely outdone yourself, Eric.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys for coming by. Hope you can bring some friends in. Share the love. All right, guys. Thank you very much. Enjoy. Enjoy. What's your names, folks?
Philip Ferrugia,
And where are you from?
the Gold Coast.
The Gold Coast. Philip came from the Gold Coast to see Papi's Bar and Chill today. How was the food? Okay?
Yeah, it was great. Great food.
Love to hear it. Love to hear it. And you're with a lady friend here.
Leanne.
Leanne?
Yeah, Leanne.
Nice to meet you. Did you enjoy yourself today?
It's really good. The food is great and the stuff is amazing.
Well, thank you guys for visiting us. And we have another friend here. What's your name, sir?
Mark.
Mark is here too, also from Australia. So I guess you're probably missing some Australian food on my menu, right?
I had sizzling, it was all right.
You had the sisig, yep.
No problem.
You stuck with the local food.
Yeah, no, you gotta, when you're in the PI, you got to use.
That's right. How long you lived here?
No, I'm visiting.
Oh, just a visitor. Excellent. Well, I enjoy the Pinoy food as well. That's why we have it on the menu here, guys. We have a little bit for everything, for everybody. All right. Thanks, guys. Thanks for joining us. Hey, guys, it's Singapore Dan. He's here. He finally made it to the Drake. We've been talking for a few years. He came up to me at the bar and he's like, hey, I've been watching you since you had 50 followers. I said, uh-oh. Who's this going to be? Because I'm going to know who it is. He said, it's me, Dan, Singapore Dan. So here he is, guys. Singapore Dan's here with his wife, Gloria. They just got in town. You going to stay with us a couple of days here?
At least.
At least, all right. Well, I like that. And you had some pancit today. Had some Filipino food. And I missed your sandwich. You said you had the Philly cheesesteak. All right. You said it was too much, way too much food, but you ate it all, right?
Oh, yeah.
Plus the pancit.
Plus the pancit. You did pretty good on that pancit too, I say.
Tastes good. You hit stuff.
Yeah, you may not want to eat till about midnight tonight. Probably, right? Or tomorrow morning. Right. All right, very nice to meet everybody that comes to visit us here at the Drake. Finally, I get to put another face to a name, a subscriber that we haven't met in person yet. I love it when you guys show up and finally introduce yourselves to us. So much fun, guys. So we have some tacos al pastor here. Mercy's got. She's been waiting for this all day.
You're right.
Nah, I'm just kidding. She's eating these all day long.
Yes. That's a good
Corn tortilla.
The best is the last.
Homemade salsa. Hometown recipe.
This is the best.
How is it?
Delicious.
Take you back home?
Oh yeah. That little piece of pineapple.
Yep, gotta have the pineapple. That makes it. And
Oh
that
my.
pork.
Oh
gotta
my.
be marinated just right.
Yep.
We got another group here coming to visit. You guys are from where?
Quezon City.
Quezon City. Came all the way from Quezon City to try our food, just to have Papi's food, right?
That's true.
And how was it, everybody?
Delicious.
All right. We had biscuits and gravy. We had some Filipino dishes here. We had a little variety this morning, right? Well, it's actually lunchtime, so brunch. We'll call it brunch, right? Mercy's sitting here explaining how she's Mexican and not Filipina, and how all the different and similar aspects of Mexican culture and Philippine culture is the same, and even some of the language some of the words are the same. So it's always an interesting topic, right? When Mercy sits down with everybody and everybody's just, aren't you Filipina? Come on, you got to be kidding me.
Mercy's still working on her Tagalog because I asked her that
Oh no.
earlier.
I speak better Tagalog than she does. That's for sure. Yeah, I'm teaching her, and everybody looks at me funny.
Yeah.
We go to the market, and it's how's this white guy know all these words, and this lady doesn't know anything. So yeah, it's a funny thing. We should make a video on that subject alone, I guess. And just do little clips of everybody talking to her in Tagalog, and she's like, "What? Huh? I'm sorry."
You teach her.
Yeah, I got to teach her. I've taught her a few words. She can count to like 5 now. We have a lot of visitors coming in, a lot of subscribers. We have some more visitors today. There they are. What's your names?
Hi, I'm Jeff.
Jeff?
Hi, I'm Joe.
June?
Joe.
Joe?
Rachel.
Rachel?
And Junie.
And Junie. All right, guys. So what did you think tonight?
Oh, it was great. The shrimp cocktail.
Oh, there we go.
Something completely different.
Now, have you not ever had a shrimp cocktail like that before?
Not like that.
Mexican style?
No.
And it was something you would eat again?
Certainly, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Try it.
Was it too spicy?
A little bit spicy.
Excellent. And what did everybody else eat tonight? Fish and chips. Excellent.
I love it with this malt.
Yeah, the malt vinegar. Yeah. I'm glad they offered that. I just found that today, actually. And I said, I've got to get it for my fish and chips. What's fish and chips without malt vinegar?
Exactly.
And I love it. I love it on my fries, too. You got to put them on the chips.
Good price.
Anyway, show me what you brought me here.
It's a plaque of my favourite beer back home in England.
All right.
Old Speckled Hen.
Yep.
And it's great on draft, it's great bottled, and I miss it. You can't
Well,
get any English beer out here.
If I find this, I would gladly hang this on the wall here along with the other plates. I don't know about what's about this picture that I like the most. I think it's that bottle, right? Is it the bottle, the shape of that bottle?
Yep.
I think that might be it, right? All right. So I will proudly hang that on the wall, sir, and thank you very much. And if I see some Old Speckled Hen, I will pick it up and put it in the restaurant here in the bar for people to try, because I've never heard of it or tried it before.
That'd be lovely.
It's probably very delicious. Now, have you ever seen any of this in the Philippines before?
No.
Nowhere.
No.
It might be a tough find.
Yeah, no English beer. They only seem to have cider and Guinness.
Guinness, for sure.
Yeah, and English cider.
Well-
but no English ale.
Regardless, this is a winner of a sign, guys. It's going on the wall with the rest of the collection. Hey, anybody comes to visit here, do you got something like this to hang up? I'll gladly hang it up. We're trying to decorate the walls in here. And what better than for people to bring me little mementos and souvenirs like this from where they're from? I'll be glad to hang them all over the place here.